In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up TikTok Live Studio for gaming, including the best settings and everything you need to go live. First, make sure you have TikTok Live Studio installed on your computer. If you don't have it yet, open your browser, search for TikTok Live Studio, and download the official app. Once installed, open the app. Now, in the top left corner, choose your scene layout. You can select either portrait or landscape, but for TikTok, portrait is usually the best option. Next, let's set up your stream from scratch. Go ahead and remove any existing sources so you have a clean canvas. Now click on the plus icon, plus, next to Add Source, and select Game Capture, then click Add. Click on Select Game, and choose your game from the list. If your game is not showing, make sure it is running in the background first. For example, if you want to stream a game like Roblox, open it first, then return to TikTok Live Studio and select it. Now enable compatibility mode and also check Capture Cursor, then click Add Source. Your game should now appear in the preview window. You can resize and reposition it to fit your stream layout perfectly. Next, if you want to add your webcam, click on Add Source again and select Camera. Choose your webcam from the list, adjust the settings, and click Add Source. You can move and resize your camera anywhere on the screen. You can also add extra elements like follower goals, alerts, or other overlays. Click on Add Source, choose your preferred option, and customize it. For example, you can add a follower goal and set your target, like 100 followers. Once everything is set up and looks good, just click the Go Live button at the bottom. And that's it, your gaming stream is now ready on TikTok Live Studio. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.